Welcome to Compete Easy. Today, we will walk you through how to sign up for a rider account. First, go to your browser and type in competeeasy.com. Next, you will press the sign up button on the top right-hand side and select Rider. Now, you will see all of the fields and required information to set up your rider account. Fill in all the required fields and just push submit. Next, you will go to your email that you signed up with for your rider account. Click the activation link on your email to activate your account. Once logged in, you will now arrive at your main dashboard for your rider account. Now it's time to fill in the details within your rider account. Here is your main dashboard for your rider account. Now it's time to fill out the details within your rider account. It is very important to fill out as many details as you can, as all information that you put in your rider profile will follow you when you enter shows using the Compete Easy platform. First, we will go to the My Details tab on the left-hand side and just push Edit. This is where you can edit any information within your profile. It is important to fill out as much information as possible, to fill out everything correctly and accurately. Some fields may not apply to you, and therefore you can leave that blank. Next, we'll be going ahead and updating this rider. As you can see here, there are several tabs on the top of this menu: Association Number, Medical, Commentary, Trainer and Coaches, and Volunteers. Many riders have different association numbers depending on where you live or what country you are currently in. So some of these may or may not apply to you. Fill in as much information as you can. So we're going to go ahead and update a few of these numbers based on your association that you belong to. Click Update. Next, we are going to click on the Medical tab. This is where your emergency contact name, number, email, etc., and all other relevant information will be stored. Next is Commentary. The commentary section is for optional information to be filled out, as some shows have announcers that would like to announce or give information about the rider. We have Trainer and Coach tab. It is important to fill out trainers and coach details for certain associations that are required by provincial, state, or national bodies. Fill out everything as much as you can and then push Update. The last tab is Volunteers. We'll be exploring this area in just a moment later on in the video. Next, let's go back to the Details tab on the left, where you can then add a member of your family. Make an account and add several members. Then, when you enter shows, you can pick the rider and pick the horse. Next, click My Horses, where you can add several. This will show up as options when you're entering events. We'll add a horse now. You want to be sure to fill out as much information about your horse as possible, including persons responsible for Equestrian Canada, and the email. These are required for certain national bodies. Go ahead and save your horse profile now. Once you save your horse profile, you will see 4 additional tabs appear at the top of the screen: Association Number, Biosecurity and Waivers, Vaccination, and Owner. In the association number, these are the association numbers related to that specific horse. Fill out as many as you can. Therefore, these numbers can follow you into any show entries. In the biosecurity and waiver section, here you can upload any coggins for your horse, which will also follow you into your entries. In the vaccination tab, you may also upload any proof of vaccination for the different types listed. Several shows either require vaccination requirements or coggins, or both. The Owner tab is last. The Owner tab is for the owner of the horse. Some riders may have horses in their profile that they are not the owner of. Make sure you fully and completely fill out the owner information of that horse, as again, these are requirements for several different horse shows. Next, we're going to take a look once again at the menu on the left-hand side, and you can see where you can enter horse shows. At the top, you can see the shows can be filtered by country, province, or discipline. Once you have entered your horse show, go back to My Account. Once again, on the menu on the left-hand side, we'll be covering entry history, view entries, and incomplete entries. Any horse shows under the Entry History tab will be displayed here. This will keep track of all the shows you have entered through Compete Easy. This information will not be deleted and it will remain with your rider account. Any current entries you may have will be seen in the View Entries tab on the left-hand side. This will show all of your current entries. If you had started an entry and didn't complete it at any point in time for any horse shows, it will be shown in the Incomplete Entries tab. Back to the left-hand menu under Watch List Events. Any events that you have found on the Enter Horse Shows pages and chosen to watch those particular events will be shown in the Watch List Events tab. Therefore, you don't have to search for the same shows to check on closing dates, opening dates, and maximum entries. Once again, on the left-hand menu, you'll see the Change Password tab. You may change your password at any time. Once again, to our menu on the left-hand side, you'll see the Link Entry to AC. The Link Entry to AC tab on the left-hand menu means you can connect a previous entry that you had made to a horse show using a guest profile. If you had made a rider account after you entered a horse show as a guest, you may link your booking into your profile here using your booking number and last name. The last two tabs on the left-hand side are very self-explanatory. We have Delete Account, which is used to delete your rider account. And we also have the Volunteering tab, which shows you all the shows that you have volunteered for. Within the rider account, on the left-hand side, you can go to My Volunteering. That shows everything you've signed up for. Let's sign up for some now. Click Enter Horse Shows. Pick one with the blue tab. Here you may select the volunteer duties you'd like to take on. Just click, hit confirm, done. Here you may select which duties you're available for. I'm going to pick some office help from 30 minutes before show to lunch break, and then push update. This will take you back to the My Volunteering dashboard. As you can see, your duties that you signed up for as a volunteer will display here. By signing up through the show as a volunteer, you will receive emails and updates for your volunteer duties and reminders. Good news, that completes the rider setup. Reminder, if you do not have a rider account, you can set up a simple volunteer account through CompeteEasy.com on the sign up page. Thank you very much.